Hey everybody, and thank you so much for tuning in with me, Letitia McKinney, and welcome to Designing with Letitia McKinney. Hello there, my friends, and thank you so much for tuning back in with me, Letitia. If this is your first time here, we would so absolutely love to have you. All you have to do is click that subscribe button down below and turn on your bell ringer. Now, our mission is to inspire our audience with unique and signature designs to create unforgettable memories. So let's start in today's tutorial. I want to share this with you all. Now, this is totally freestyle, no editing or anything. So when I was sitting down, I was looking at these metallic candle holders. You guys have seen those like a lot of times. I use the diamond gemstone right there from Hobby Lobby, and I have a brooch right here. So you guys have seen this a lot. And I got this from Michael's a while ago, 50% off. Now, this candle holder right here, this one here, I got it from Hobby Lobby, yes, and 50% off, so it was like $2 and something. But when I was doing like a lot of organizing for like my DIYs that I was doing for the rest of the year, I couldn't find this knob that I got from HomeGoods. It came like 4 or 6 to a pack or something. And then I just took the little knob and I placed it right there. I did not want to do a story time, no editing, this straight Vlogmas old school. And this is just so beautiful, and it also matches, you know, this DIY that we did. I don't have it close up like that. I just have it, you know, so you guys can see it really well. Now I am going to clean the inside of it out really well, and I'm going to remove these tabs right here that you see. I'm going to remove those, and I'm gonna look right there where you see that little, yeah, we need to take that out. We don't want to poke anybody, but I may get my husband to remove that, because I think if I do it, your girl will end up breaking it. So we're going to use this as a top and then hot glue this on to there. Make sure that it is centered just like that. My son's washing the dishes, you also. Sorry for the noise in the background. So this one we're going to use for the decaf, because I am a decaf drinker. And over here we're going to use the regular coffee, because my husband loves regular coffee in the morning times. But that is pretty much it, everyone. Just want to share this quick one with you. You guys, sorry to bother you again. So have a blessed night, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.